In the following demonstration, you will be shown a basic technique for making a straight cut through steel piping. The selection of the nozzle size and the setting of the oxygen working pressure is made according to the wall thickness of the pipe. The first step is to mark the pipe in order to make a cutting line. To make a straight cutting line, wrap a paper or a plastic strip around the pipe, aligning an edge to your measured mark. Use chalk and mark off the cutting line. Let us now observe the cutting action. Once more it can be seen that torch control involves hand skill. The secret is in the rolling action of the hands. This action ensures that the nozzle tip is always pointed to the imaginary center of the pipe. It will be necessary to rotate the pipe from time to time. After each turn, the cut will need to be restarted. Remember to keep the flame pointed toward the center of the pipe. This action is continued until the cut has been effected all round. A sharp blow with a hammer may be necessary to separate the offcut. Now that you have seen the demonstration and observed the technique for pipe cutting, all that remains for you to do is to get in with a little practice of your own.